Road surveyors play a crucial role in the planning and construction of roads in Chattarpur, Delhi. With their expertise and skills, they are responsible for collecting accurate data and measurements that are necessary for the design and implementation of road infrastructure projects. The work of road surveyors involves conducting surveys, mapping out the terrain, and identifying potential obstacles or challenges that may affect the construction process. By utilizing advanced surveying techniques and equipment, road surveyors ensure that the road design is efficient, safe, and meets all necessary standards and regulations. Chattarpur, a bustling area in Delhi, requires efficient road surveyors to address its growing transportation needs. The role of these professionals goes beyond simply measuring distances and angles. They are responsible for assessing the existing road conditions, analyzing traffic patterns, and identifying areas that need improvement or expansion. Through their careful analysis and evaluation, road surveyors in Chattarpur can provide valuable insights into the design and layout of roads, considering factors such as traffic flow, pedestrian safety, and ease of access for different modes of transport. One important aspect of road surveying in Chattarpur is SCON design. SCON stands for Supervisory Control of Network and refers to the design and implementation of intelligent transportation systems. These systems utilize advanced technologies such as sensors, cameras, and communication networks to enhance the efficiency and safety of road transportation. Road surveyors in Chattarpur play a crucial role in designing SCON systems that cater to the specific needs of the area. Road surveyors play a crucial role in the planning and design of road infrastructure. In the bustling city of Delhi, road surveyors in Chattarpur are in high demand due to the constant need for development and expansion of road networks. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and gathering data that is essential for the design and construction of roads. By utilizing advanced techniques and equipment, road surveyors in Chattarpur ensure that accurate measurements are taken to facilitate the creation of efficient and safe roads. One important aspect of road surveying in Chattarpur is SCON design. SCON, which stands for Survey Control Network, is a network of points established on the ground that serves as a reference for all other surveying activities. Road surveyors in Chattarpur use SCON design to establish control points along the proposed road alignment. These control points serve as a basis for accurate measurements, ensuring that the road is constructed according to the specified design. SCON design also allows for the monitoring of any changes or deviations during the construction process, ensuring that the final road meets the required standards. Delhi, being a densely populated city, faces numerous challenges when it comes to road infrastructure. This is where road surveyors in Chattarpur play a vital role. They conduct thorough surveys to assess the existing road conditions and identify areas that require improvement or expansion. By analyzing traffic patterns, road surveyors can determine the optimal design and layout of new roads or modifications to existing ones. This helps in reducing congestion, improving traffic flow, and enhancing